What a boring day. It was another day at my home watching my iPhone. Let me see the news. OMG. That was my big sister Christelle. She was on the news page. She's so popular. She's having 1 million followers, or I can't remember. I can't remember how many followers she had. And she just called me. What is it? I can't present. Hi Ren. I want you to be me for 1 week. So I think you are agree. Don't need to answer me because I just want to rest. I want to rest this week. So bye bye, little sister. Just meet me only 1 week. I have a show. Bye. She just hang up. She was like this every time she just wanna rest, and she just gave me a note that's what to do. I really hate her because of this. She always gives me her work sometimes. So I know how popular tired. Being a popular girl isn't very easy. It was very tired. And I don't wanna be that, but she never wants me to be her. She only gives me her works. Well, being a single model or popular girl maybe not bad at all. I will try and be her. It's maybe very nice. Okay, she gave me her shirts. OMG, there were too many for me. I need to choose. One. What should I choose? Well, after I had done the makeup, now I really look good, but I need to rather pretty dress too to make me look like Christelle. I forgot that she had a concert. I wish I can be like her and I can be prettier than her in the concert. That's the thing I always want. And I almost forgot to introduce myself. My nickname is Rain. My name is Bo. And I also have a surname too. Everyone always have a surname, but my big sister Priscilla doesn't have the same surname as me, cause she doesn't have the same dad with me. Cause my surname is Rock Brain and her surname is Pastel. So she was not my real big sister. She's just my stepsister. But we have the same moms, but we doesn't have the same dad as well. So it's okay now. I need to make my hair look exactly like her. At the salon can do every hairstyle. I need to find my big sis hairstyles. Oh, that is it. Wow, I'm so pretty. I'm very cute now. OMG, with these hairs, I should be Christelle for 100%. I forgot to put on my microphone so I could sing. Okay, the concert is over here. Wow, at the fountain, it looks pretty nice. I love it. I forgot to change my name and my bio. Okay, nickname Christelle. Name is Tabro. My name is Pastel. And my surname is Pastel. Wow, this is very nice. Being her is super fun. Wow, oh no. yeah. And I need to search my info, or I should say bio. Wow. A popular singer and model. I have 45 million followers online in every single app. But if I add the M, it will be hashtag, so I need to make it 45. Okay, now I need to go. Where should I go? Oh, I know, I need to go practicing my dance so I could be like her, okay? Oh, I forgot I need to go at TV station today. Oh, and the camera guy and everyone doesn't come. She needs to do by her own self. Wow, please, that is very strong. Okay, I need to start. Okay, 3, 2, 1, recording. Hi everyone. Oh no, I need to say like, hi everyone. My name is Tail, and thank you for following me. I'm making a new song today. Don't forget to watch it. Okay, so I will post it at noon. Bye bye, guys. Oh, finally it's end. Being Chris Tail is very hard because her voice is so small. Oh, okay, I want some burgers. Even the staff doesn't hear. Okay, it's okay. I would eat burger later. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. La 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 la. Okay, this doesn't too hard. La da 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 da. My name is Reese. La 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 la. Oh, who calls me?
Hey, Mister, why doesn't you come at the studios? Record your voice. Come at the studios now. You need to record a new song. Do you remember it?
Yes, I remember. I will go right now.
Okay, come fast.
Okay. I will go now, sir. I am on the road. I am walking today.
Use the car is better. Didn't I'm right?
My car is broken. I will go there soon.
Okay, make it fast. Or maybe your FC will.
Finally, I hang out. I just hang up him. Maybe he doesn't really mad at me at all. Yes, finally, this is the studios. Okay, I will start a new song. 1, 2, 3. La 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 la. It's a city night. It's a city night. In the very high city night. It's a city night. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Okay. It's what a double song, right? Okay, let me see the video. OMG, it was so cute. I will post it in her TikTok. It will be very pretty though, cause she tell me to post it too to make the fans her FC. Yeah, it's her FC. I don't know what is her followers' names. Like, she called them FC or fan clubs. Okay, I will call them her fans. Anyways, I will need to go to the concert, right? Oh, I forgot. I have a concert at 2 p.m. at this night. Oh, I should go at 20 p.m. So I would eat something here. Let me go up here. Ouch, I feel, wait, someone has called me. Hello? Hey, I want to say you something. You should know that you shouldn't eat like something that not vegetables. You can't eat only vegetables. Don't eat the meat, okay? Okay, I just hang out her again. Well, it's okay. Nah, I don't want to eat vegetable though. I hate vegetables. But she told me like that I need to eat it. Or carrots. I finished it. I won't eat it anymore. It was so bad. Good luck that I could eat water. Okay, let me see. Oh, I really want to eat Coke. Diet Coke. Oh, I am dieting. Should be Pristel though. Could I eat it? Oh, I really want to eat it. Okay, open. Wow. Yay, I could eat it now. Yay. Yummy. Oh, why you call me again? Hey, when you couldn't eat like Coke, okay? If it doesn't diet, no, please tell. Don't want me anymore. I know that. Okay, when I will go. Bye. So weird. It was like she's stalking me. How did she even know I'm eating diet Coke? What again? You can't forget about the concert. You need to go to the concert. I'm already at the concert. Don't be too worried. Okay, fine. It was so tiring. She keeps calling me like she's stalking me anyways. Nah, I could go to the rock stars. They sell shirts. I need to change the shirts. I don't like these shirts at all. Okay, I will use this one. OMG, it's so cute. This one is the best one. Okay. Oh no, the concert is starting. It's almost the time the concert has started. It's almost 2 p.m. I should say 20 p.m. I didn't care how to say that. Cause I didn't live in America like my stepsis. Okay, this is the concert. Oh no, I come too fast. It's okay, I will try dance. La 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 la. Ulet ulet, ulet ulet, ulet ulet, ulet ulet. La la la, it's a big town. It's raining. La la la, hula hula, hula hula. La 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 la. Please tell me, please tell me, please tell me, please tell. La la ule ule, ule ule. Goodbye. Goodbye, all of my fans. Oh, finally, I just escaped. OMG, there were too many fan clubs there. There were too much. Oh no, there one fan club in the city. I should get home fast. OMG, I'm gonna stop doing this. I hate being Pristel now. I understand how tired is her, but she already chose her job. I will take out this hairstyle. I need to wear my own hairs. Where's my hairs? I need to shake my hair back. Okay, I need to shake the color back by using this one button. Yes, finally, I have changed back to my normal thing. I need to quit this makeup. Okay, now I have changed to my old identity. What a time I won't be her anymore.